Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to set up the Shopify subscription products in 2024. So today we're going to explore how to set up the subscription products on your Shopify store in 2024. Offering subscription products can provide a steady stream of recurring revenue and build some customer loyalty. So let's dive into the steps to set up and even manage subscription products effectively. So make sure to stick by. Let's dive right into this video and simply let's get started. Make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. First, you'll need to go and access your Shopify admin panel. To do so, go and open a browser. I'm using Brave, you can use whatever you want. Go to this URL section, basically just type shopify.com, hit the enter button, and this should take you into the home screen, main screen. If you have an account, click on login. If you don't, click on start free trial to create an account. You can use Google if you don't want to get through all the boring steps of creating your account. If you click on login in, normally you should be logged into your store right away and you should find yourself on your admin panel. If it's your first time, you just created your account, you'll basically take you through the steps of creating a new store. It should not take a lot of time from you. Basically, you have to answer some few questions and the store will be created, or you can even skip all those questions. So once you are here, as you said, once you are on the admin panel, it's time to navigate into apps. As you can see, on this left panel, click on apps. And here you can simply just go to apps and sales channel. Of course, you can simply basically just click in here, then click on apps, and it will be taking you to the app store or see, of course, what's about the app and etc. And of course, I want to go to Shopify App Store, so you can click in there, or basically just click on all recommended apps, then simply click on Shopify App Store, and he'll be taken to the Shopify App Store. So you should come here, basically Shopify App Store. So here in Shopify App Store, just go to the search bar at the top and make sure to look for subscription apps. So subscription app and apps, and hit the enter button. Once you do so, you should find yourself here. So as you can see, those four at the top is just an ad, so you can ignore this, as you can see. And of course, some popular options normally you should find like the recharge, subscribe, or subscription, bold subscription, and even pay where subscription. But those options might not appear to you because of your region, depending on your region. So just keep that in mind. So basically, you should look for, as you can see, a lot of apps. So look for the app that suits your needs to set up some Shopify subscription products. As example, maybe I don't know, maybe I'll just choose this one. I'll choose this one. Of course, you can compare, like maybe, I don't know, this one. So you can even see like the best rating app with a lot of rated people, like maybe this one as example. So yeah, I'll just check those three. So example here, you can check what's this about. If it's requires, of course, whatever you need, you can simply install. So of course, you can see here the highlights, which will do popular with new businesses making sales. Use directly Shopify admin, works with down your theme. As you can see, free plan available and free trial available for a better plan. Developer Shopify rating, a good rating. You can see even here what people saying. As example, just 1 star. It's actually very good to see. As you can see, they have free to sell, so you'll get an example subscription discounts, easy to use portal, one widget template, skip, pause, cancel, email notification, overview, and analytics. So if you want a better plan, you'll get better features. So the features that come with this app: simply customize and various widget templates that fits perfectly in your store. Quick setup and auto add-in widgets, and embedded apps to use directly in Shopify admins, seamless customer portal to manage their subscription, skip, pause, and cancel. Powerful, knowledgeable support team that responds in less than 1 minute, and expert customer success managers help you with subscription setup, marketing, etc. Here, as you can see, for this one, you can do the same. Watch the video, as you can see, small video, see what people saying about it, and etc. See the features with the free option, and the same will be for this one example. And you can choose for your own. What's the one that suits your needs? As example, maybe as example this one. This one, that's the one that I like. So I'll just go here and click on install. Of course, you can view demo store as example and how it's going to look like first of all. On that specific one, I don't. Oh, okay. So they offer it in all the three options. So I'll just go and open it in here. So as example, here you can see how it's gonna look like on your store. So I'll just click on X as example. So they have the subscribe and save on your products. So as an example, it will be added to your product like that. So you can click on subscribe and save like every 3 days, every week. So they have even plans for their subscriptions. Then you can simply just buy it with ShopPay or add to carts, etc. So basically, there's just a demo, so I'll not be able to pay or something like that. As you can see, that's how it's going to look like on this Shopify. For this one, as an example, and I'll just click on demo store because I opened two of this. Yeah. So it will look like this one. For this one, as an example, maybe you can subscribe and save with prepaid plan. As example, subscription will look like this. For the last one, as you can see, key features will offer. So, example, maybe I'll just go with loyalty features. Why not? As you can see, loyalty features, they give you a video, etc. Okay, why not? What about quick checkout links? As example, they give you a video, etc. all in one. If you click on it, as you can see, you'll find here kind of the same. So, as you can see, a lot of things buy with Google. So it seems like all the same and all do what we want, which is set up some Shopify subscription products. So for us, it's time to choose whatever we want, depending on the features that they offer, of course, or how much it costs. As examples, I'll just go down here. So you can simply go through all of them and see if you're going just the free plan, check the features of the free plan, compare them, depending on whatever you want. If you're going with the prices and etc., this may be the cheapest. Yeah, so depending on whatever you want. Maybe as example, I'll just choose this one. Why not? Then click on a sell if you choose it. And here, of course, I'll just click on a sell if you agree to all of this. If you agree to all of it, click on a sell. And it should take some time until it is sold. Then you can simply start playing with its settings so you can add or set up the Shopify subscription products. As simple as that. It will be very, very simple. So just wait for a moment. And yeah, here we are. So that's my store. Of course, start selling products as subscription. I'll just go to the next step. So you'll have to give it a name. I'll just give it a name, test. Select the products you want to add subscription to it. Maybe this one as example. I'll just add this. And simply here, you can simply subscription frequency. So add more frequent plan or as example. So for me, I add here 3 plans. You can simply just delete those plans if you don't want to and leave just one plan. Choose every information about like order bill type, frequency name, frequency description, order frequency, like every month, every week, and everything, etc. You can even apply some discount, like the value percentage, maybe 10% off, or even amount off, or even some fixed price, depending on whatever you want. Then you can even change like discount after a specific number of payments. As example, after like maybe 5 circles, they get like a 20% discount instead of 10%, etc. If you like all of those settings, click on next, and let's just wait for the page until it load. So normally, okay, let me just check if it's yeah, it's not like a problem of that. So as example here, go live with that's widgets and etc. So you can go to Shopify as example here, of course, to your store, and you can simply add this widget to whatever you want. So make sure to enable it, of course. Once it's enabled as example, yeah, as you can see, it's activated. So I'll just go here and click on save. And yeah, changes are saved now. So all you need to do, I'll just go and exit this. So you want to leave, yes, go to the dashboard as an example. So now if we go as an example to our online store, go down, and where is my products? Wait, was it this one? I'm not very sure. Maybe it was not this. No, not this one. Yeah, this one, as you can see. So the subscription is added, as you can see, and I should be good to go. So that's going to be it for me today. Thank you for watching and goodbye.